Good looking S10. Very solid little truck. Various scratches, things like that. Nothing major. Drop-in bed liner. Dent in the trim there. Just presentable little truck. Interior is looking the way it's supposed to. Doesn't have any weird smells. $1995 S10 extended cab 4.3 V6 automatic transmission, 2-wheel drive. Only has 75,000 miles. Very presentable, very solid little truck. Starts, runs, and drives the way it should. Needs a little suspension help. Check out the inspection for details. AC compressor is not kicking on. But steering feels good. Brakes feel great. Get on it here a little bit, assuming that there's nobody in the road. Yeah, great driving little truck. It's got a cassette player. I'm not sure if that works. I'm assuming it does, so you can bust out all your old cassettes. But neat little truck, no back seat, so just storage space back there. Happy bidding, and you have a great rest of your day. Undercarriage of the 2-wheel drive S10. A little bit of surface crust, but very solid, which is not surprising because this would not be the first choice for winter driving for most people. Rockers are great, but if you put snow tires on it and wait in the bed, you should be in good shape. Yep, looking super solid under here. Frame purchase, frame, rockers and fenders are all looking good. Yeah, very clean little truck.